I can hear the music, but I cannot hear my wife talking.
Andrew,
So I cannot hear her.
can you
Very
hear
useful.
me?
We're going to unbox the Sony WH-1000XM4, or let's just call it XM4. Now this is the 4th generation of Sony wireless noise cancelling headphones. The XM3 was widely accredited as one of the best active noise cancelling headphones. So Sony released a new one, the new generation. Now the difference between that XM3 and XM4 actually are small. So if you have an XM3, you don't need to buy the XM4 anymore. But since I don't have the XM3 and I've been meaning to get that one, XM3, and since there was a sale in Lazada, I took the opportunity to get this one. Now this one costs around 12,000 to 13,000 pesos depending on your budget. So there's depending on your sale rather, you can get it less than that, maybe 10,000 pesos. Okay, so my Bose wireless earphones has been with me for the last 4 years. I'll put the links here for the unboxing, so if you want to check that out. Now that one is a little bit old. It still sounds good, but the chafing of the leather is already evident, and I've been wanting to get a noise cancelling version of a headphone. No? So this one is considerably one of the best. Bose has an alternative, their version, and Apple AirPods Pro also has a noise cancelling. Microsoft Surface has a noise cancelling, but I chose Sony. So let's take a look at the box first. So the front, you can see. So it is a 30-hour battery. It is a Bluetooth connectivity. It supports Google Assistant and Alexa built-in. You can use it with your phone to receive some calls. Okay, so it has an active noise cancellation, and yeah, basically that's one of the key features at the back. So what is a noise cancelling headphone? Okay, you might be wondering. A noise cancelling headphone is a type of equipment that cancels the outside noise. For example, you have a music, you have your headphones ear here. You can still hear somebody talking, or maybe roads, cars moving around. You can still hear them. But with the noise cancelling headphones, it eliminates, if not 100%, of all the noise outside. So all you're hearing is everything that is being beamed in your headphones. Okay, so may it be music, may it be conversation, or maybe if you're watching movies on the plane, this is very useful. You don't want to hear the humming sound of the airplane or the engine. Okay, so let's open up this box and let's see what's inside. So first, this has a suggestion. You have to download the app. Okay, so you have to download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Okay, so that you can connect and you can tweak some features of the headphone. So these are the very nice box. I have a free trial. Okay, I will not show you the code. Okay, so this is the reference guide. So some instruction manual. Okay, so let's look at the case. Very nice. So my Bose also had a case similar to this one, but let's open it. Oh, okay. Oh, you have rubber straps here. You can put in whatever. Let's say you have your own documents. Okay, so a very nice case to house your headphones. Okay, so neat packaging. Actually, this is the first time that I'll be holding this one. Okay, so let's look at what else is in. So this is a 3.5 millimeter jack. You can actually connect your headphone with directly if you want it wired. So you also have the airplane adapter. Okay, airplane adapter. Okay, so you plug in your headphone here using this one, okay, and the other end on your headphone, and plug it in the airplane. It's funny, because of the pandemic, we'll not be able to travel, so this will not be useful anytime soon, but it's nice to have. Okay, what else do you have? Okay, you have the USB to A and USB-C. So this is used for charging your wireless headphone. Okay, so let's take a look at the headphones. So let's close this one. Okay, wow, first impression, actually it's very, very nice to the touch, very premium to the feel. Okay, so you have the leather here. Okay, so matte black. There's another color, the silver white or dark gray color, but I prefer the black one. Okay, now notice here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, there's a hole in there. So it's actually a sensor. So this headphone, if you remove it from your ears, it will know, and it will automatically turn off your music or movies or the sound that is coming from the headphone. That way you will not be missing the music, no? So let's take a look at the different angles of this headphones. Okay, so you have these buttons. Okay, this is the jack. Okay, this is, I think, the USB-C charging. Now, a key feature of this headphone is that you can use this side ear to control your music. You just swipe left, swipe right, or swipe up, swipe down, or tap. Okay, depending on your I mean, you have to learn the gestures. Okay, so let me wear it and tell you what it feels like. Okay, so there's an indicator left and right. Okay, so the right ear cups go to your right ear, obviously. Oh, you can also adjust this one. Okay, you can make, if you have a bigger head like me, you can adjust this one depending on your comfort level. Now this one covers your entire ear, over ear. Okay, so let's feel the comfort. Now currently, I'm not listening to any music, but with this headphone actually does a pretty good job in isolating. I haven't turned it on, okay? I haven't turned it on. I'm not listening to any music, but because of the over-the-ear setup, the surrounding sound is actually less pronounced, okay? But once you turn it on, with the music on, you'll be not hearing, supposedly, all the noise outside what is beaming with the headphone, okay? So yeah, overall impression, I really like the feel, and I'll surely take a test of this one, and maybe a part 2 of video, and to share the experience, no? A review. Now some basic technical specifications, let me just share some. So according to the features, for example, you're using your headphones like this, okay? You're using the headphones like this, and somebody is talking, you can actually just cover one with your hand, and the earphones would open up and to capture all the noises, or you can talk to the other person. Okay, a very handy feature if you don't want to remove your headphones anymore while listening to music. Okay, this happens because the headphones has microphones built in somewhere here. I think if you can see the small holes, these are the microphones. Okay, so it will capture the ambient noise outside.
So I can hear the music. I can hear the music, but I cannot hear my wife talking.
Andrew,
So I cannot hear her.
can you
Very
hear
useful.
me?
So, but if I cover my right ear, the ambient noise will be heard. So I can hear somebody else talking. I can even hear my own voice, okay, while the music is playing. So again, I cannot hear anybody. Just hear the music.
Andrew,
Very faint. So if you want to turn the volume up, just swipe up. Then everything drowns out already. Okay, stop. And just tap 1 and 4. Stop. Tap again. To play. Okay, so maybe you can see the button moving on its own. Okay, so if you want the next song, just swipe left. Okay, or swipe right. Okay, so you can see the changing of the song, right? It's time to use this one during at night. So if your partner is snoring and you don't want to hear the snoring, you use this one. Okay, so let me stop. Alright, so I'm going to explore the headphone more. So yeah, very nice.
Okay, so that's it for the simple unboxing and overview of the Sony XM4. I'm excited to use this one. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please like and subscribe on this video. All the links will be in the description below. If you want to support the channel, please buy using those links. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.